Hey, what's going on, guys? Lawson with Custom Offsets. I'm here with Biggs, and today we're doing another episode of This or That. You can find me at lawson.co on Instagram. You can find Biggs at biggs.co on Instagram. And if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, accessories, you can find all that at customoffsets.com. Are you ready?
You forgot about performance parts. We got Go Fast parts now. You can find those at customoffsets.com/performance.
You realize your mic works, right?
Yes. Yes.
Built second-gen Cummins or new stock 6.7 Cummins.
Built. Ooh. This is a good start.
Great start. What kind of start are we having? Oh, great. Stock them all.
Do you know what you're going to pick?
I 100% know what I'm
All right, what do you pick?
Built second gen.
I'd take the stock 5th gen.
I can understand why you would pick a stock 5th gen, which they are sick, but built second gen, I don't know.
I mean, yeah, it's a hard question. I would take either or, honestly, at the end of the day, but just, I don't know, out of the box, stock 5th gens are the move these days.
Yeah, I think like if I was gonna do just like a show build and just have a second gen show build.
It's me. Just a show build.
Just a show build? We got a lot of work trucks around here though, so.
There's not a single fucking work truck around here. What are you talking about?
Rainey's is a work truck. Second gen, all day.
5th gen, all
Ooh,
day.
I don't know, 5th gens are.
Maybe not all day, because that's a hard. All right, whatever.
Yeah.
Next.
Next.
12V Cummins swapped Cybertruck or LS7 swapped Hummer EV.
Oh my God.
What in catastrophe is this?
I'm just gonna take the 12 valve on the Cybertruck.
That'd be sick.
Personally, because I think that thing would look insane.
That'd look sick.
Rolling
coal,
coal.
yeah.
Coming out, supposed to be like, I guess either, well, no, because the LS wouldn't roll, but.
Either or, you're taking a energy efficient vehicle and turning it into it.
Yeah. And then you have all the power to literally do any sort of like suspension. Like all the renders of like them being like 4-linked and everything else, whether that's, I'm sure it's capable, you can make anything capable, but that rolling coal would be nasty.
Oh, that's nasty.
V8 Colorado or V8 Dakota.
Colorado. I love Rainey's Colorado.
I think I'm gonna go with the
Dakota?
the Dakota.
You dick.
I think I'm gonna go with the Dakota.
Dakota?
The Dakota. Because after hearing Glenn's whole Dakota debacle and SEMA
Nuts?
disaster, that thing would have been sick. I think, personally.
I mean, yeah.
But then again, you could still do that to a Colorado, so.
Yeah.
I don't know, Dakota.
I've just never been a huge fan of like the Dakota body styles
Yeah,
ever.
that front end's a little ugly.
And the Colorados are pretty decent. They can actually be done up pretty well. Yeah. And obviously Rainey had it for the longest time. And I love that little truck. Should have never sold it. Dumbass.
What'd you sell?
Wheels and tires, baby.
Did you sell nudes?
No, wheels and tires that you can get at customoffsets.com.
Yes. Yeah, nice work, Hunter.
ARKON Lincoln or ARKON Mandela.
Mandela.
Lincoln.
You know what would be a better question that we can't ask because
Yep.
the next wheel isn't released, but obviously we've seen it because we work here.
Yes.
We'll just talk about that at another
Maybe-
time, but
maybe-
don't spoil it.
Maybe potentially the ones that might be going on my truck.
You're getting the new one?
Maybe.
Ooh. All right, so what are you picking? Why are you
look-
picking the Lincoln?
I picked the Lincoln because it looks good on my truck. And I've seen multiple builds with the Lincoln on my truck. And I haven't seen any builds with the Mandela because it literally just came out. But there is some loser that's gonna run them that has the same truck as me, but it's a 5.0, which makes less power than my EcoBoost. Oh, he's right there. That's the loser.
Le who? The her.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know. It's just got that nice swoop in it.
Look at that thing. Thing's sick.
Look at the swoop you can get in with that wheel.
I think it's just because I don't know. I've been around it so much.
It's literally one of the OG ARKON wheels, and that's new, that's hot, so like.
Yeah, I think that's why I'm picking it.
Yeah, but no, it's a sweet wheel. Be different. Be your own animal and the same beat. No, I'm just kidding. Isn't that some like meme?
I don't know.
You're a living meme, dude.
You are a living meme.
Roasted.
Halogen or HID or LED headlights?
This, that, or the other thing? I like these questions.
LED.
LED.
It's 2021.
Isn't there like some serious rigmarole that you have to go through to get HIDs? Don't you have to like have some like power in like the power banks or I don't know.
That's halogen.
Is that halogen? No, that's HID.
No, it is HID, right?
Like there's some like stupid thing.
Yeah,
they
I
draw
have them
too
on one of
much
my
power
old
or some
cars,
shit.
and they go out, and then it's pain.
Yeah.
Yeah, like keep them in plastic bags under your hood. It looks trashy, so that water doesn't get on them.
Exactly. That's why LEDs are nice. They're bright, easy to wire, and don't consume, a lot of, I mean, obviously that 12 volt, but like, they don't really consume too much, and you can run them for longer. So yeah,
there you go.
LEDs. This is 2021 too. Get that halogen base model bullshit out of here.
All right, next.
LBZ Duramax or 12 valve Cummins?
I gotta take a deep breath for that one. That one's a hard one. Frick, I don't like GM products, but the LBZ,
Yeah.
I mean, obviously, like, the LB7, then you had the LLY, but then the LBZ is probably the best rendition of that motor.
12 L Cummins.
LBZ Duramax.
Why?
Actually, I don't like GM products. I'm a big Ford guy. I think I say this almost every video that I'm in. But if I was to drive any GM product, it would be the Duramax and it would be the Cat Eye generations, like Dustin's. That's probably my favorite one that they ever had. And that turbo whistle and high idle on the LBZ.
Have you heard the high turbo whistle on a 12 valve?
No, and I'm only picking what I know as well, because I haven't really
Have you ever
been around
heard
many 12 valve.
the like chuckle when at idle, like low idle?
Yeah. It's a diesel truck. They all sound good.
Yeah, it's hard to say. I'm in a Chevy right now, but I've only ever had gassers, and either way would be an upgrade for me. But nonetheless, I have been around or have had friends who have had more Cummins,
Okay. That's
and have learned more about Cummins more so than the LBZ. But I mean, Dustin, that man talks highly of his LBZ.
Yeah, a little too highly. I don't know if it's that.
I think,
great,
like
but-
you said, it's sick. I like Cat Eye LBZs.
especially when they're all built up.
Yeah. Either way, you can't go wrong really with a diesel.
I don't know that 1 second gen that was in here. That was a 12 valve, and like earlier on and before.
The one that got the Black Forces?
Yeah.
Oh my
God.
God.
That thing was in. That
Thing
thing
was insane.
mint, and I was in it when it drove down the road, and it sounds good as shit too. So.
Yeah.
Oh, diesel trucks.
Diesel trucks.
Yeah.
Only ever speak in riddles or only ever speak with lies?
Can lie nonstop. You might as well
That's what I
pick
was
that
gonna
one.
say. I speak lies all day long. There would be no change for me in my life.
That's so sad.
Nah, I'm a very straightforward guy. I'll lie to your face if I need to.
Can you imagine talking in
Riddles?
riddles?
Do you like riddles? No.
Can I get a
People
riddle?
would probably slap you and walk
What's
away.
a good riddle? We need to think of riddles, because like maybe that'd be kind of cool. It'd almost be like you're rapping all day long.
You'd be Lil Biggs.
Lil Biggs. What an oxymoron. That's a riddle right there.
Nailed it. All right. We're going to go with the riddles. Agree? Disagree? Or do you want to lie to everyone in your life?
No, I'm an honest person.
I can't lie!
All right, cool. Wheels, tires, suspension, performance, accessories, customoffsets.com. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Bust a rhyme anytime, on your own dime, not on company time. Ow!
Oh my, what the hell was that?
A riddle.